YouTubers, what's poppin', what's crack-a-lackin', what happening, and all that. But nah, let's get into today's video. In today's video, we are going to do a wall decal. Yes, a wall decal. Something sort of like how I did the tiger stripes on my headlights, but this time we're doing it on a wall. The sticker is, what's the movie? Good Dinosaur. And I'm very excited, very nervous, because this is a big sticker. Like, it's gonna take up the whole entire wall, and it's 3D. I'm gonna go downstairs and show you, because I have to make sure that I use a flat surface to begin with, and I'll explain all that once we get downstairs. Yeah, so let's go.
We going steady, yeah.
All right, so before we go downstairs, I just wanted to show you his room with the bare wall. That's the wall that we will be putting the sticker on. And then that is some leaves that I got off of IKEA. And they're very easy to put together and very cheap.
All right, so this is the handy dandy. This is the decal sticker, wall sticker, whatever you want to call it. It's that. I'm going to lay it on a flat surface, so you have to lay it down on a flat surface. You're supposed to have a squeegee, but I lost my squeegee, so I'm going to use a card, my old Georgia State card. Your girl hair was long though. That was my permanent days. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to make sure that we want to try and get all the sticker part onto the transferable part. So this is why we are smoothing it out and making sure that it transfers onto, I think it's called the vinyl. Yeah, the actual picture part is called the vinyl. So you're making sure that the vinyl is sticking onto the transferable part. And if you come a little closer, you can actually see the outlining of where the sticker is, so you know that you're doing the right places. But like again, do not do this on a carpet. Do this on a hard, flat surface. And if you don't have a squeegee like me, well, I had one, but I lost it, you can use a card. And we're just doing the same thing that we did with the tiger stripes for my headlights. Make sure y'all go check that video out. Okay? No, okay.
All right, y'all. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all his little clock. But anyways, I forgot that I didn't have tape to tape the sticker on the wall. Look. About to run to the dollar store real fast to go get some tape. What y'all talking about? What I do?
Alright. So we back. We got the tape now. Make sure you get, what's the name of it? Look, I'm trying to tell you I get some tape. I don't even know the name of it. Make sure you get masking tape, because the masking tape will not take the paint off your wall. Don't get the tape. That's tape that I used on my tiger stripes. Do not use that on your wall, or you will take the paint off.
I was never paid.
You're getting fired. So you want to make sure you dust off your wall. Even though it's a little dusty. But still, chances are. Make sure it's not dust. Alright. Where's the tape? Oh, this is a horrible video, y'all. The tape is right here. I'm going to use the tape to mark where I'm going to put the actual sticker once I get it off the floor, because it's going to let me know where I want it. Alright. Then it's going to start about right here. not really hard. It's just the fact that it's so big is what's making it harder than what it really needs to be. And then I know that I'm gonna have the beginning stuck right there. Okay. So annoying. I'm getting annoyed. But you know, that's why you tuned into the process. Because everything's a process. Life wouldn't be easy if you didn't have challenges. Alright. That looks good? Camera guy, does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
You're the worst camera guy ever.
You just told me.
That's how we're gonna do that because. All right, let's get the peeling because this gotta go. The sun is already going down. Y'all see me doing it while the sun was up. Now the sun is already going down. It should not take this long. It should not be this hard. Be very careful.
It's zoomed in on you.
Oh.
Chill.
Can you see like what's going on right here? So you want the stickier part to be stuck on this sticky part. If that makes sense. But make sure you're going slowly. Try not to touch the sticker. You can touch the sticky part, but don't touch the sticker.
So now I'm just speeding the video up because it did take a while for that. It might look fast right now because I sped it up, but it did take a while for it to go. You want to make sure that the vinyl is sticking on the transferable part and not on the backing. If it is, smooth it out onto the sticky part.
For the scary part.
Do you want my help?
Yeah. So I'm gonna have my brother help me with this part, y'all. So let's pick up the top. Don't stick it on the wall yet. It's crooked. Remember, I shorted it in here, so come down a little bit. Don't stick it. Don't stick it. You don't stick it.
So all you want to do now is get your squeegee or card like me and smooth it onto the wall piece by piece, level by level. Try and get all those air bubbles out. Do not start in the middle. Go at the top to the bottom, bottom to the top. Just do not start in the middle. And you're just going to keep smoothing that out. My brother is pulling it tightly so that we can try and get all those air bubbles away. Once we got to the end, he was able to let go, and I was able to start smoothing it out more.
Alright, so now I'm just getting out all the air bubbles. I kind of messed up on his little neck. I'm going to see if I can smooth that out. Hopefully I can. And right here, I really hate it right there. I messed up on that part. But let's try and get some of these air bubbles out as much as possible. Now I'm going to try and peel the sticky part off. They actually put a crease right here, so let's just take one side at a time off. on there.
So you want to slowly peel back the transferable part, which was stuck on there pretty hard. So be careful that you don't rip the sticker itself. I didn't think that it was going to be this hard to peel off. It took me so long, but just do it slowly. I'm using the card to like get the sticker off the vinyl a little bit, like smoothing it and pulling. This was so hard, y'all. Like, I was really using all my might. Here's another angle for y'all. I found out that using my palm of my hand worked out better and faster.
All right, y'all, so we're finally done. I love how it came out. I have a little bit of air bubbles right there, so make sure y'all be careful. My biggest task was trying to get the outer layer off. That was really hard. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard, but it was really hard. But yeah, I think it looks nice. Kai's gonna love it. He's with his dad, so he doesn't know. And I'm gonna think of some other things to do to put on in his room. Not sure yet. I might put some lights on these leaves. I know I want to change the knobs to dinosaur knobs on his dresser. If you have any ideas that I could do, please let me know. Maybe something to hang from the ceiling. I don't know, but I still need to think of some other things.
So yes, this is his room. That's his sleeves. Like again, I said I got those from IKEA. You can also get them off of Amazon. The sticker I got from Etsy. They have all different other characters. It came out so cute. And his clock as well, I got it off of Etsy.
Alright, so yes, it looks so cute. I'm so happy. I actually thought it was going to be bigger. Probably because the actual paper was bigger, so that's what it made it seem like it was going to be bigger. I could have got a bigger size. They have different sizes too, y'all. So, and they have different characters, all that. And I just think it looks so cute. Don't it look cute? It look cute. And y'all know me. I'm always finessing. I finessed the crap out of his bed. That right there, that's the bed sheet. This is a full-size bed. This is for a twin. They didn't have a full-size set. So the sheet, that's a regular full-size sheet. The blue one is a regular full-size sheet that I bought from Dollar General. And then that's the this part right here. That's the little scrunchy one, the one that scrunch on the side. And then the comforter. So that's only for when guests come. Don't sit on the bed. All right. But no. If anybody has a full one or knows where I could get a full-size one, let me know. I've been looking, can't find one. So until then, we will finesse our way through life. Okay? Ombre effect. Who got an ombre effect bed? My baby. Sorry, let me stop. I'm such an idiot. But once again, thank y'all for watching. I'm so happy. My baby's gonna be happy. I can't wait till he sees his room. Yeah. I almost forgot. I also have this. I'm gonna show you guys this nightlight that I bought Kai as well, so that it goes with his little theme. Because in the movie they go in the dark and they go to this fireflies thing in the grass. This is the grass. And they go to this fire place and they try to catch fireflies. So I bought this to try and mimic it a little bit. And then, like I said, I'm thinking about putting lights along the side of his leaves. So let me show y'all this light and get right back.
Alright y'all, so thank y'all for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on IG at theprocessw.t. And yeah, love ya.